Good afternoon, this is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 1738 North Roosevelt Street, in the Altadena area, and I am preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line here on the property for Christina Hill. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system, then, is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focusing on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I was unable to locate an exposed or accessible main sewer line cleanout. A main sewer line cleanout is an area outside the structure that has a removable cap that's going to allow direct access into the upper end of the main sewer pipe. Typically where the drain system exits the structure. In this case, it is going to be at the front of the structure, out past the planter area in the yard. I've already taken a quick look. I've tracked and located the line where it exits the building, and I've placed an orange marker flag in the yard in that area. Pipe's about 18 inches deep, so it's a fairly simple process in installing a standard main cleanout. What we've done, or what I've decided, is I brought my camera equipment up onto the roof. I'm going to be dropping down through this 4-inch waste vent. This is a vertical pipe that comes up through the roof from the horizontal drain pipes under the building. And these vent pipes are to let air into the system for drainage, and also to allow sewer gases to escape out into the atmosphere above the roof line. We're going to get through this cast iron building drain here, kind of hanging up a little bit. Once we get through it, we'll be into the clay and run smoothly from there. Up the top of this iron pipe. Alright, so here we're changing from the cast iron right into our clay main sewer pipe. And this is the location we're going to recommend that cleanout be installed. Zero out my counter, we'll get a good idea of the length of this line. So as we come out the front of the house, we're going to jog over here kind of towards the right side of the property, and then turn back to the right, and now it's going to be a straight run all the way out to our public sewer. What we're looking at here is the original clay piping, and these clay pipe materials, they are expected to have a long service life. This is a natural material, being a clay pipe, so it's not expected to corrode or deteriorate underground like those metal pipes do. But it is more brittle in nature and does have a higher potential for damage during seismic activity or earthquakes. So we're specifically looking for any areas that have significant cracking or breaking, offsets or separations at the connections or joints. Alright, so about 22 feet in, we are increasing in pipe diameter now from our 4-inch clay to a 6-inch clay. And then this is going to continue on the rest of the way out to our public sewer. Now up here in a little bit, we're going to start seeing a couple areas with some root intrusions coming in. Looks like they're at the joints. There's an area here. We should probably get some water running, see if we can clean this camera off a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and push out the public sewer, see if we can wash the lens off, and pull the camera back out to that point. Alright, so here's our public connection, about 52 feet from where we exited the structure. We'll pull the camera back and take a quick look at those areas where we had some root intrusions. get a little bit better look at that. Right here at our public connection, we see we've got some root intrusions there, but I want to see if we can get the camera a little bit closer. That's better. Looks like there's some slight separation occurring here and starting, but I don't see anything that tells me there's an actual and what's happening is we're getting some condensation or some steam in the pipe that's fogging up the lens a little bit. I'm going to stop the recording and we'll start up again here. Actually, I'm going to leave it running, go downstairs and get some water running and see if we can get this camera cleaned off. Alright, so we've turned some water on there. It should catch up to us here shortly. We'll get this camera lens washed off. Get a There we are. Alright. Well, we got some roots and a little bit of soil mixing in here. There may be some cracking of this joint starting to occur. Still a little hard to see. And that's mostly just because these roots do kind of limit our visibility. So commonly what we're going to suggest in this situation is that cleanout's put in. The line's cleaned thoroughly, and then follow-up examination just to make sure. In the line is the main concern here. The pipe may be starting to crack. Alright. So it's just really the one area of some concern. It's going to be under the parkway here between the sidewalk and certainly nothing here of a real significant nature, but unfortunately it's just really hard to be conclusive right here. It really looks like it could just be roots kind of clinging along the top of the pipe. Alright, so by a skilled technician that is going to be able to use the proper cleaning blades, or a hydrojetting would be another good way to go. That would really bring the visibility back in here so we could really see what's happening. Other than that, the rest is so go ahead and recommend the main clean out, a cleaning, and a follow-up examination, just to be on the safe side on this area here. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much.